Welcome to Theodore, Alabama. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home has been totally remodeled. This home features granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths, stainless steel appliances, and luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas. This home features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's 1,500 square feet. You have easy access to I-10, and this home is eligible for USDA financing. That's right, that means no money down. It also has a new fortified roof. The primary bath has a modern style soaking tub, dual vanities, and a freestanding tiled shower. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today for a free home analysis and let me show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. You also have a private backyard with a brand new deck.